Need to make a call without revealing your number. Here's how to become a private caller in seconds. Method 1. The secret Android code. Open your phone app and dial *#31#. Then tap the call button. You'll see a confirmation message that your caller ID is now hidden. Want to show your number again? Simply dial #31#. Easy. Open the phone app, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Supplementary Services or Caller ID. Tap Show Caller ID and choose Never. That's it. Your calls will appear as private number without showing call ID. Keep in mind, menu names may vary depending on your Android phone and network provider. If you like this video, follow Lifefacts for more hidden Android tricks you wish you knew sooner.